So today I'll be showing you how to enable and also how to disable case charging sound on the AirPods 4, the new ones. So anytime you connect the AirPods to a charger, that sound, so currently mine is enabled, so I'll be showing you how to disable, and if you have it disabled, I'll be showing you how to enable. So what you want to do is open the AirPods case so that the AirPods connect to your iPhone, and then go to settings, and then go to the AirPods app, and then scroll down and find the option called charging case sounds. Okay, so you can see enable charging case sounds. So let's go ahead and close this. And see what happens. So let's go ahead and open again, have them connected, and then tap on that, and then let's go back and find that option. There you go. So now it's enabled. If you don't want to disable, just turn it off from there. And to enable, if you want to hear the sound every time you connect your AirPods to a charger, just go ahead and turn that on. So that's basically how to enable and disable that particular feature. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below. If you found this useful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and even subscribe for more tips. And I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.